Hello everyone. My name is Sandra Sunil and I'm currently doing my third year English literature in Krishnamal. When I was in college the first few days, nobody used to call me by my real name. Everyone used to call me like that girl from Avila. That was how they used to address me. So then I came to know that everybody has this special regard for Avilites. So once I went and asked my professor, ma'am, why do you think Avilites are special, or why do you have this regard for Avilites? And she said, no, see, we don't discriminate between students from different schools or anything, but Avilites are very easy to spot because they stand out from the rest of the crowd. They come out of school well trained for most of the things. So that was actually when I realized how much my school has molded me and all the students who have studied there. 14 years I have studied in my school, and it was only when I stepped out of the school that I realized how much of a person I have become because of that school. Today I am a very courageous, bold and aspirational person because of my school. I had inferiority complex, and this was broken by my school and my teachers. It goes without saying that my teachers are my family. They are just like my mother for me. And sometimes I just believe if Avila had a college, I would never have opted for another college, All of us think that. Avila is a bond. The teachers, the students. When you step out of Avila, you come out as a different person, a strong and independent woman. That is what Avila makes of you. And I am indebted for the rest of my life to my institution and to all the faculty who made me who I am and who have laid out a path for me and who have guided me throughout. Even today, if I want any guidance, I can still go back to my teachers. And I think that is a kind of molding which every school should do. It's not just academics or extracurriculars. As a person, as an individual, every person should be molded, and I think Avila has done a wonderful job all these years. Speaking of all this, I just wish I could go back to my school. Avila is a wonderful place to be in, and only when you come out of the place you'll think of all the bonds you created there and think of all the things that institution has done to you. So I miss Avila.
I am more than bound to share my credits to Avila for making me the person that I am today, for making me me. I use this opportunity to extend my warmest, most precious gratitude to all the people who supported me in becoming me. So kudos to you if you are already an Avilite, and welcome to all the newcomers who are starting their journey fresh in Avila. You are going to love this school. You're going to love everything in this school. I have found the bestest of friends in this school. I have found the bestest teachers in this school, and Avila has given me all the great opportunities in the world to make me myself. So thank you, Avila. Thank you. My second home. Avila is a heaven on earth, as it is always said by Avilites. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and all the very best to all of you. It is a very crucial step. 11th and 12th is going to be a very crucial step. Respect your teachers and help them and take their help and rock it. You're going to do great. Bye.
Hello dear Avilites, this is Veena SP and I am doing my third year English literature, and I am an ex-Avilite from the batch of 2004 to 2018. So the initial 12 years at Avila, right from LKG to 10th standard, you feel you're very secure. It's more like a second home. But for the first time when you write your 10th standard board exams, you feel that you're being entitled with some responsibilities, and you get to know a few new terms like caste, quota, admission, management admission, lots. So when we stepped into 11th standard, I felt a difference for the first time. It's like a division, like commerce and science, our friends being in another stream. It's like that. And mainly in 11th standard, the campus in which you were for the last 12 years, I felt that the campus felt little different in the same campus where I toddled from, right from LKG to 10th standard. So it's like in 11th and 12th, maybe you have to come before everybody in the school and you have to leave after everybody goes. It's like an hour extra in the morning and in the evening. Initially we fussed over it and we complained about it, but later we took it as an hour to be extra, to spend extra time with friends after leaving the campus, because all your friends may not land up in the same institution, higher educational institution. You may land up in a different city, maybe in a different country. But I'm sure wherever you go, to any institutions, you will definitely meet an ex-Avilite senior in your higher educational institution. And the moment that you introduce yourself as an ex-Avilite in any higher educational institutions that you go, they'll be impressed. They have a high regard to the term called ex-Avilite, and the first impression will be a best one. Living up to that lies in your hand. But so these 2 years, I think, just give your best. Never regret that you could have done something better. Just give your best, and as they say, leave the rest to God. And the ones who are new to the Avila family, the new admissions, a warm welcome to our family, and all the best to you guys.
Greetings to all the lovable members of our dear Avila family. I am Shrutiyas from batch 2019 to 20. They say that we never really understand the importance of something unless we have it no more. And I felt it very much when we left the school after our public exams. Avila was my home, my family. It gave me a purpose and helped me to become a better person that I was when I entered the school. 14 years of memories, experiences, and a lot of opportunities. Avila taught me one important thing, that is, education is a lot more than learning, memorizing loads of stuff and writing pages of essays. It is about gaining experience and utilizing the opportunities that come your way. But nowadays it is not possible to wait for opportunities. We have to go out there and create our own opportunities. So get out of your shell and go out there, try new things and learn a lot, because our school creates the opportunities for them. You just have to go and utilize them. And another important thing is the balance between extracurricular activities and education, because if we pursue extracurricular activities, we are not supposed to forget our responsibilities, that is our education, which is going to help us a lot in higher studies and in life after that. In finding that balance, our teachers help us a lot. If under any circumstance you happen to miss classes, you can always approach the teachers and they will be ready to help you, because I know how is it to miss classes a lot. So the teachers were ready, they were open, and no matter how many doubts you ask, they were ready to help you, and I know that they will be ready to help you too. And I really want to thank the Almighty Lord for all the things that He has ever done for me, because without His blessings and grace, I would not be what I am now. And my parents and all the teachers from right to LKG to 12th standard, they made me what I am now. And you are entering a new stage of your life, so it is not bad to stand out of the crowd. It helps you develop your confidence, because you need that confidence to face what is after school, because you never know how tough it is going to be or what you are going to face after school, unless or until you step out of the gate completing the school. It will be a little scary, but you will need all the help that you get now so that you are prepared to face everything in future. I hope that you have a wonderful time ahead of you, and I know that you will do a lot better, because you have the potential. You just have to be confident in yourself and work harder. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Welcome young ladies to the lovely fold of Avila. At the outset, let me congratulate you all for securing admission to this very prestigious institution. The next 2 years of your life is going to be very exciting. for you will all transform from young bubbly girls to charming ladies. I passed out of here 39 years ago. While I was a student here, I did every naughty thing imaginable. But when it came to exam time, I gave it my best and passed out on top of my class. My basic lessons in leadership is what I acquired while I served at Avila as a school pupil leader. Today, as a practicing lawyer, I am so grateful for the values I imbibed at Avila, which now stands me in good stead. My dear young friends, let me remind you that learning maths, physics, chemistry, economics and French and securing centum marks should not be the end all of lives. Though they are important, what is more significant and will shape your life is this: learning teamwork, acquiring good habits, cultivating lasting relationships, and learning to be compassionate. This is where all you young ladies have the privilege of being in Avila. Make the best of the opportunity. Go out and play. Join the band. Get on stage and sing. Be part of the group dance. Use every available opportunity of the extracurricular activities available to you on the campus. Haven't you heard? All work and no play makes Jill a dull girl. Over 52 years have passed by and 52 batches of young women have passed out of here. They are now spread across the world and in all kinds of excellent fields. Learn to access them. Contact them through your alumni association and help them become your mentors. Even at my age, our school WhatsApp group is the first place where we ask each other for help and advice when we need it. The friends we make at school last a lifetime. Let me also caution you one thing. You may at times feel that the teachers are being very strict and that they are spoiling your fun. But it is their strictness that helps groom you, and you will cherish it when you're all grown up. So please don't grudge it. Of course, while we were students here, we broke several rules and took punishments for it. But therein came our learning experience. So go ahead, learn all that you can, both from your books and beyond it. Please do not forget to thank your parents for choosing a good school for you. And some of them might be making huge sacrifices of their time and money to get you here. I should really look forward to seeing you all at the Alumni Association 2 years from now when you have passed out of here. Until then, come on, give your best. Get, set, go.
Hello all you beautiful girls who I guess are going to be the batch of 2022 for Avila. I'm thrilled that I'm getting to share